Atlanta Public Schools has selected a finalist for its new superintendent, and he could come to us from Tennessee. Dr. Brian Johnson is already addressing his biggest challenges if the school board approves his hiring.
11 Alive's Teresa Bowles shares more about his plans and what a local education nonprofit organization is hoping for the future.
Dr. Brian Johnson says he's ready to get to work. A finalist in Atlanta Public Schools' new superintendent search, Johnson says he's already got his eyes on how to improve literacy rates.
We want to work with teachers and leaders and make sure that they are steeped in the curriculum.
No stranger to higher education, Johnson is currently the executive vice chancellor at the University of Tennessee at Chattanooga. Before that, he was the superintendent of Hamilton County Schools. He says he wants to bring what worked in the scenic city here to Atlanta. And Gira Susi, the vice president and chief of staff at Refined Education, a nonprofit dedicated to giving every student in Atlanta equitable access to educational opportunities and resources, suggests Johnson really research the challenges the school district currently faces.
I don't think Atlanta Public Schools has fully recovered since the pandemic.
And while she agrees literacy should be at the forefront, Susi also mentions the addition of a decline in math rates, declining enrollment, and working with a tighter budget.
If we keep doing what we have done for the last 50 years, we're not really closing those achievement gaps.
To fix that, she says it's going to take really getting out in the community and talking to students and parents. Johnson says he's on it.
What I want to make sure is that I'm visible, that I'm present, that I engage with students.
The board is expected to vote on a final decision in July. In Atlanta, Teresa Bowles, 11 Alive News.
By the way, when we asked Dr. Johnson about keeping teachers around, Johnson says pay is important. However, creating a positive work culture is his main strategy for retaining them at AP.